This is a video about the basics of oxidation and reduction. There are 5 things to know about in this video. The first one is to be able to describe what oxidation is. The second, what reduction is. What an oxidizing agent does. What a reducing agent does. And then what a redox reaction is. Firstly, what is oxidation? Oxidation is the gain of oxygen by a substance. So in a reaction between magnesium and oxygen, to give us some magnesium oxide, let's balance that, you'd see that it's the magnesium that gains oxygen, so the magnesium is oxidized. Reduction is the loss of oxygen from a substance. So, for example, copper oxide plus carbon gives us copper plus carbon dioxide, and in this case the copper oxide has lost oxygen to become copper, so the copper oxide has been reduced, has undergone reduction. Let's look at that reaction again. So the copper oxide has lost oxygen to become copper, but the carbon has gained oxygen to become carbon dioxide. Therefore, in this reaction, there's been both reduction and oxidation. We call reactions where there's been both redox reactions. Even this reaction is a redox reaction because the magnesium is oxidized to become magnesium oxide, but the oxygen is reduced. There are 2 oxygen atoms here, but only 1 on the other side. That makes this a redox reaction also. In this example, the reduction is the iron oxide, whereas the carbon is being oxidized. Now we need to look at what a reducing agent and oxidizing agent is. Well, a reducing agent will cause the reduction of the other reactant. So in this case, the reducing agent is carbon because it's removing the oxygen from the iron oxide. The oxidizing agent is the one that will produce the oxygen for the other to take. So in which case, here is the reactant with the oxygen, the iron oxide. If we look back at this example, then we can see that it's the copper oxide that's reduced, the carbon that is oxidized, and therefore the reducing agent is the carbon and the oxidizing agent is the copper oxide. So we have reduction, which is the loss of oxygen, oxidation, where the substance gains oxygen, a reducing agent which gains oxygen and in the process reduces another substance, an oxidizing agent which loses oxygen and in the process oxidizes another substance, and a redox reaction, a reaction that involves both oxidation and reduction. I hope that's useful. Thank you.